Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. On the XRP daily or even 4-day or weekly chart, just a bigger picture, the macro view, there is no change to expectations, also no change to structure. Support levels are holding and resistance is not broken. So pretty much no new developments, but it still makes sense to remind everybody of the macro view. We're currently holding above the 2021 high, which was located at $1.96, and that's a previous breakout point. The price broke above this level early in December. I think it was the 1st of December. That's 196, and we are holding below resistance, or let's say below the all-time high. That's at around $3.25, $3.30. There's a Fibonacci level there, and it is the previous high from 2017. So pretty much the market is just moving in a range. It's good that the market holds above the 2021 high. That is good. It indicates, the fact that it rallied substantially. XRP rallied and is holding on a high level. It's consolidating. That's pretty good. That's pretty, that at least at the moment looks a little bit like further upside continuation, which is also in line with the Elliott wave count at the moment. There are two larger time frame scenarios that I'm tracking. The first one is the blue one, in which we are moving up in an ending diagonal after the, well, it's a large diagonal actually. It's a large diagonal. It's not an ending one, it's a leading one probably. But the idea is that in wave 4 of the diagonal bottomed in 2020, and we're now moving up in an ABC structure, and that C wave is a 5-wave move. And we could still be in the third wave of that 5-wave move, and then pretty much get one more high, and then maybe if things go well, another 4-5 pattern. The yellow scenario suggests that the wave 4 didn't form a low in 2020, but in 2024 recently, and it formed a triangle. This sideways move was just a triangle. Wave 4 unfolded as triangle pattern and broke to the upside, and we could get another wave 4 or 5 as well. The main difference is just that in the blue count we get another larger 4 or 5 afterwards. Okay, so they are moving together essentially. Next resistance $3.25, $4.19, $5 and $9.81. I think we could get the I think it is realistic that the price reaches the $5 level and possibly even $9.81 in this cycle. $9.81 I find ambitious, but $5 is realistic. We'll see if it can also go higher, but for now we take it level by level. And let's take a look at the smaller time frame, because on the smaller time frame we are just still consolidating in something that looks like a triangle pattern. And this is a wave 4. I see this as an internal wave 4. Now it is possible the wave 4 bottomed. I've marked it here as wave 4 finished just because I can. Typically, when a 3-wave pullback is complete, we can call a correction complete, but it still needs to prove itself. In my view, it hasn't proven itself yet. It is possible that we're breaking out directly to the upside. Please note there is just a possibility at this stage, as long as we are holding above the 10th of December low that formed at $1.90, because below that level, it becomes clear that this 4th wave is still unfolding, and that would be the white count then, where we could expect a larger ABC structure, and this 4th wave might send us a little bit lower. That would be the count I would go with if the $1.90 level gets broken, and it's just a large ABC structure then. Okay, but the move down looks very choppy, so I've started to favor the triangle pattern, which is also a wave 4. So it's just different ways how this wave 4 can unfold essentially, right? Pretty lousy price action there. I mean, it's nothing that gives us very high probabilities here on the smaller time frame. Overall, I'm looking for higher, yes, but this correction is clearly still unfolding. And in this correction, we're moving just sideways for now. And there is some weak support I added today to the chart, which is between $2.09 and $2.32. So it's very weak support. Why is it weak support? Because it's just based on the internal structure of a possible triangle. So it's not really that meaningful, just some levels to watch there, because overall, the only other levels you have to watch are pretty much the triangle trend lines, or let's say the range boundaries. So we have to have a little bit of patience here at the moment, and next the price might form a D wave of the triangle and then a final E wave, And then there is a chance to break to the upside, but that remains to be seen. We need to have a little bit of patience here. So that's the update about XRP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.